Hello guys, what is content marketing and how they? You may have heard from many experts about the importance of content marketing. In reality, content marketing is extremely essential to ensure success of your business website. You need to understand the basic of content marketing and what it all about to achieve your goals. It is important for you to realize the importance of content marketing for the overall success of your website. As technologies are evolving, plus more resources are being supplied for you. Often other facts of marketing evolves along with the new technologies. Even so, content marketing continues to be as it usually was. The adjustment which have emerged. Technological know-how has furnished you while using the chance to adjust the probable approach. You could talk and the many various ways in which you will share the content. For example, social network advertising and marketing is really a method of content marketing that is certainly very fashionable and powerful currently. Never, nevertheless, content promotions and marketing is just like the way is as what as has usually been. It is unduly, and one thing that the viewers can depend on the similar all the time. However, you need to remember that content may be promoted in many different strategies, and majorities of those techniques include online intercommunication. Explaining content marketing, it is critical to outline what content marketing and advertising is prior you decide to go any further with figuring out your particular approach to content marketing that will be best for your company. For an extremely content marketing